After a slow start to May and having to miss out on most of April's tornadoes due to work, we were finally out chasing what appeared to be a solid setup. It also just so happened that my dad was in town for the first time since I've lived in Oklahoma. Now my dad and I used to chase all the time together. He was my original chase partner from ages 9 until 13. We chased about everything, and then I started going out with other people, so it's been quite a minute since we've gone storm chasing together, so I really wanted to get him a nice tornado while we were down here.
Actually, I see dust up there. There it is. Do you see it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See it on the ground there?
Oh yeah.
Just to the right of the tree line there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
She sure is thinking about it, ain't she?
Beautiful.
Wow! Oh, big hail coming down, Alex. Ow!
Max is way more daring than I am. I just saw a softball bounce.
Yeah. Awesome, though.
Yeah, I got nailed in the... Here, just throw it, got it. Oh yeah, no, I saw the shape of that wall cloud like 5 minutes before it did it and was like, oh man. That's such a cool shot.
I want it to fully condense. Wow. Alex is gonna get hit in the head. Look at the structure of that.
It's insane, dude.
I wonder why it's not planting.
Just one hand over the head. Alright, she's fully condensing now.
Big stone's falling. Motion there. Wow.
Yep.
Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna find a spot here because we're gonna lose contrast if we go too much further. Oh shit, we're gonna have to turn around here.
Condensing.
There's a road I wanted, but it doesn't give us a good view, does it?
Oh, she's fully condensed.
Yeah.
This is what we like. I see where you get it from, Max.